Hi children, good morning. How are you children? Yes, you all are fine and safe. Yes, and the winter has started children, the season. Yes, be careful of your health. Okay children? Yes, and oh, today's our class is about the lesson number 4 workbook part. Yes, okay children? Children, you have to open your workbooks. Which one? The social workbook. Yes, page number 21. Page number 21. It is multiple choice question children. 15th one. Mani Kumaran clicked this photo of his father at work. Mani's father is a fisherman in the Bay of Bengal. Where does Mani live? There are four options children. You have to write the correct answer. Yes, option A, in the Great Indian Desert. B, in the Northern Mountains. C, in the Coastal Plains. D, in the Northern Plain. Which one is correct in this? Yes, it is C, the Coastal Plains. Yes, right there C. Okay children. And the next one. Okay. The 16th one children. Premila visited several holy cities on the banks of river Ganga. The options are there in that. Which one is correct? You have to write. Yes. A, the islands. B, the northern plain. C, the great Indian desert. D, the southern plateau. Which one is correct? Yes, it is the B. B, option B, the northern plain is correct. Yes. Okay children, turn the page. Page number 22. Short answer question. Read what Peter has to say about his recent trip. Which region of India did he visit? Write any one feature of this region. Yes, it is given there. It was very hot and there were hardly any trees or plants. But I saw many camels. I even took a camel ride. Yes, the answer children. Peter visited the great Indian desert. This region is very hot with very few plants and trees. I am repeating the answer once again children. Peter visited the great Indian desert. This region is very hot with very few plants and trees. I am repeating the answer once again. Peter visited the great Indian desert. This region is very hot with very few plants and trees. Yes, the next one children, 18th one. Fatima stays in, okay, Tinsukia, Assam, using the given maps to answer the questions. You have to see the map and answer the question. Yes, the region where her house is located. Where it is located? Yes, it is in the northern plain. It is in the northern plain. Yes, and the river closest to her house is river Brahmaputra. Is river Brahmaputra. Yes, and see names of two neighboring countries. Names of two neighboring countries, Bhutan and Bangladesh. Okay? Okay children. Yes children, you have to see the map and answer these questions. Yes, the region where her house is located. Where it is the northern plain. Assam, it's here. Yes, the northern plain here. Okay? And the river closest to her house is Brahmaputra. Yes, and names of two neighboring countries is Bhutan and Bangladesh. Yes, the answer is here children. The northern plain, river Brahmaputra, Bhutan and Bangladesh. Yes, okay children. Children, I will move aside. You please take the screenshot of these answers. Children, page number 23. It is long answer question. 19th one. Picture A shows a desert and the picture B shows a rice field. Can both these places be part of the same region? Why or why not? Explain. You have to see this picture, children. Picture A and picture B. They are same? No. Yes, the answer, children. In India, deserts, okay? In India, deserts are found in the Great Indian Desert. In India, deserts are found in the Great Indian Desert region. Yes, I am repeating once again this sentence. In India, deserts are found in the Great Indian Desert region. Yes, food is scarce here. Scarce means less, children. Yes, however, okay, the rice farming is mostly done in the northern plain. Hence, the two places cannot be part of the same region. Yes, understood, children? The answer, yes. In India, deserts are found in the Great Indian Desert region. Food is scarce here. However, rice farming is mostly done in the northern plain. Hence, the two places cannot be part of the same region. I am repeating the answer once again, children. In India, deserts are found in the Great Indian Desert region. Food is scarce here. However, rice farming is mostly done in the northern plain. Hence, the two places cannot be part of the same region. Yes, I am repeating once again, children. In India, deserts are found in the Great Indian Desert region. Food is scarce here. However, rice farming is mostly done in the northern plain. Hence, the two places cannot be part of the same region. Yes? Okay, children. Just I'll move aside. You please take the screenshot of this answer. Children, page number 24, long answer question. Make a list of the different physical features of your area. You can take the help of your adults at home. Write a paragraph explaining how these physical features affect your life. Means you have to describe the weather and the presence of the water and different kinds of vegetables and fruits that you grow there. Yes, this is the homework, children. You have to write homework. What it is? Long answer. Write page number 24, long answer question in workbook. In workbook. This is homework, children. Yes, write page number 24, long answer question in workbook. You have to write this. Yes. Okay, children. For example, children, how to write this answer, the long answer. For example, I am giving. For example, I live in the coastal plains. I am writing about that. Yes, it is very hot. Yes, the weather will be very hot throughout the year. And the main farming is what it is? The occupation. Means it is the coastal plain. So that it will be a fishing. Yes, for example, I am giving. On your own, you can write that answer. Yes. Okay, children. Children, watch the videos and do on that day only your work. Which one? Which we are going to give. For example, it is a workbook. On that day only you have to watch the video and you have to write. Yes, write neatly, children. The classwork, the homework, the workbook, you have to finish in time. You have to finish all the works in time. Yes, don't keep the incomplete works. Means, for example, we are giving today itself your workbook. Today only you have to write and you have to learn that. You have to learn that. Yes. Okay, children, you are very good children. We know that you do your work in time. The daily work which we are going to give, do on that day itself. Yes. Okay, children.